Hi. Sometimes I wonder who I am, really. Hello everyone. My name is Hope, your only hope. And today I have a great deal for you guys. Just come into my life. It is limited offer only, guys. So let's start. I have a new item here. It's for your skin. It helps you glow your skin. And this item, it's Bloom. And it's made with natural flora extract and gentle on the sensitive skin and leaves you smiling amazing all day. But here's the deal. Use my affiliate below to get 50% off just for today, guys. So tap the link below. And guys, please support my small business for now and go get yours. You can buy this on my basket. Sa baba lang guys, mapipindot nyo yan.
Here, we're going to eat na.
Okay ma'am, papunta na. Wait lang guys. Gonna go na muna. Post ko muna siya, balik ako later. Bye! Ay, nakakapagod. Ma'am! Oh, akala dyan na. Padating na din ba sila kuya?
Alam ko, oo eh.
Oh, dyan na pala si kuya. Labasin ko lang ma.
Okay.
I'm coming! Hi kuya.
Oh.
How's your work kuya? Oh, hi ate.
I hope. How's school?
Definitely fine ate. How's your work ate? Hindi na kayo masuk. Oh, hi ate.
I hope. How's school?
Definitely fine ate. How's your work ate? Oh, ate, kuha ka na ng kanin oh.
Oh, kuya. Nagluto kita ng paborito mo. Sige na. Oh, lagyan mo ng tubig ang mga kuya mo. Sige po.
Oh, how's school?
Okay naman kuya.
Si Anya tapon ulit sa klase nila ha. Proud na proud sila tita and tita. I'm so proud to Anya. Anya is top 1 in there, right ma?
Yeah, I know, right?
Magaling ka naman din, okay. Pero sana, mahigitan mo sa kanya, bakit hindi ka gumaya sa kanya?
Oo nga naman, Hope. Palagi ka na lang pangalawa sa klase ninyo. You're always in the second place. Baka naman gusto mong, di ba, mag-aral ng maigi. Unlike Anya, she's always a top 1, consistent pa.
Huwag kang ma-offend para sa'yo rin naman yung sinasabi namin. Sige po. Kasi nagkagaling ako na po. Nagaling ko na pindas ko.
When did they start talking? They look really close already. That's probably why he isn't replying.
Did you get so home last video? Okay, mommy.
Yes, girl. Para tayo silang palang kahirap.
Oh, hi po. Good morning.
I thought they would defend me. Why is this happening? I thought they were my friends. I'm not flaunting money. I'm trying to encourage people. Why? Where is Gio?
Hi, Hope. What are you doing here? Hi. Can I just talk to Gio? Saglit lang. Sure. He was there.
Hope, what are you doing here?
Gio, can I talk to you? Just for a minute.
Yeah, sure. Here, Hope, take this. So, what do you wanna talk, Hope? Is there any problem? You can talk to me. What's wrong?
I just failed some of my subject. I really try my best, but still, bumagsak pa rin ako.
Hey, you know what? It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. You can still fix it next semester, huh? This is not the end of all. Mababawi mo rin yan. Anyways, Hope, I want to say something, but I don't know where to start. Freya and I are now together.
What? I thought you're courting me.
I was, but I waited too long. Hindi mo naman ako pinapriority. Kasi nung una mo pa yung pag-vlog mo kaysa sa akin. I'm really sorry, Hope, but I need to leave.
Sige nga, tawagin
Di ba si ate?
Uy, loko, huwag ganun.
Hoy, ate!
Ano na kayo?
Eh, papormahan mo lang yun eh.
Loko. Oh? What happened? Why are you crying? Tell me, I'm listening. Tell me what happened. I'm listening.
I just failed some of my subjects. And my teacher is mad at me.
Stop crying. Everything will be okay. You can bawi naman next semester.
Krisha, you're a big help.
Come on. Baka nga ako na.
I'm so tired. Why is everything so unfair? Why does it all happen at the same time? Even though the people I thought it's my friend, but right now they're hating me.
Is this what you called famous? Hindi ko nga kalala yan. Not worth the hype. She doesn't deserve that spotlight. Lol, just she's my sister classmates before. Puro ganda lang daw.
Come here right now!
Ma, I'm coming.
What's this? Bagsak ka na naman? Tell me, ano bang inuuna mo? You're vlogging? Your phone? You're flirting except your studies?
You know what? Hindi ka talaga natuto. Look at your cousin. Always top of the class. Never bumabagsak. Bakit hindi ka gumaya?
That's okay, tita. We can make bawi naman next semester. I try my best. Okay? I really try my best. I'm sorry.
Why I always being compared? I'm doing everything I can. Most of my subject is failing. Parang kasalanan ko na lahat.
Patrick, what is this? Your scandal is around on social media. Ano ba? Can you shut up? You're not related on that, so get your nose out of it.
My name is being dragged in the scandal. Come on. What are you gonna do now? How can you solve this scandal?
I don't know, okay? You're not helping, so mind your own business.
It is my business, ate. Then now you don't know how to figure it out? Stop being ridiculous.
What? Are you saying I'm a hooper?
You misunderstand me.
Whatever you say, Hope. You think so highly of yourself. You're such a fame whore.
Wow. And you're a slut and homewrecker.
You're so entitled.
Hello, dear. Who are you?
Hello? Is this Ashlia Sparta?
Yes, it's her mom. Wait, who's this? Why do you have my daughter's phone?
You're child got into accident. She's unconscious and we're on our way to the hospital.
What? We'll be there. Kyle! Hope! Your ate, she had an accident.
Huh?
Huh?
Where is she?
Si ate?
Hope, let's go. Hurry up. This is all your fault.
What do you mean, Kyle? What happened, Hope? Why is it your fault?
They fault. That's why I'm here.
What did you do? Fame is eating you up and it affects all of us. I'm sorry. I really was sorry. Out. Get up! I don't want to see your face. You should be in your knees instead. Hello.
Ma, can I talk to you?
Please, Hope, if you're going to be dramatic, I don't have time for that.
Ma, please, I need you.
Pwede ba, Hope? Huwag ka munang sumabay. You know your sister's going through a lot lately. So please, please don't add up.
At ako wala. Ma, I need you too. Kailangan din kita.
You're really such an attention seeker, Hope. Can you just please stop for a while? Can you? Kahit yun lang. We have to keep an eye on her. Your sister's depressed. She's suffering tapos sumasabay ka pa.
Is it always her? Palagi na lang bang si ate?
My God, I'm tired of your drama, Hope. Kahit kailan problema ka talaga. Pwede ba, Hope? Huwag ka munang sumabay. You know your sister's going tired of your drama, Hope. Kahit kailan problema ka talaga, don't add up.
Always top of the class.
Bagsak ka na naman? Tell me, ano bang inuuna
I don't
mo?
know where to start.
You're vlogging? You're
Freya and
phone?
Kyle.
You're flirting except your studies? Oh? Are you there? Oh?
I'm Hope and I'm a vlogger. I share half of my journey through my videos and vlogs. I hope someday my mom will be proud of me when she watches my vlogs, because the little girl she gave birth years ago grew up to be a strong woman without her guidance. But I hope she isn't disappointed in me because I choose to be weak just to find my freedom. Kasi ngayon ko lang piniling maging malaya sa kabila ng panguhusga ng mundo. I tried to survive between the judgment and to my mother's high expectation. It's been a year. Patawad ma kung napagod na po akong abutin ng matataas ng pamantayan. Ngayon tanggap ko na po. Tanggap ko na po lahat. Ngayon hindi niyo na po ako kailangan ikumpara sa kanila. Kung sakaling man nababasa niyo na to, hiling ko lang na sana wala nang galit sa mga puso niyo. Dahil napatawad ko na kayo.
They weep over a body they never protected. Boys trembling with the grief that only learned my name. When it was carved in stone, my mother collapses, mourning the daughter she slowly erased with comparisons. My friends bowed their heads, hands still stained with the words that pushed me to silence. Love kneels like it didn't walk away first. Balloons rise into the sky, light, empty, formative, just like the apologies they saved for my absence. Online, I wore a smile sharp enough to blind them. Offline, I was strutting quietly where no one cared to look. Maybe I didn't die because life still wanted me to see this, to realize that the mask deserved to burn, not me. Please, I'm begging you, don't tell to my mom. Even though there is a power family, please. No. They need to know you alive. Go. Please, I don't have to. Please, don't tell to my mom. I want them to see you. Please. Please. I love you. Please, I love you. I love you.
Ina? Hope is dead. Wala na po siya.
Ella, so thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go.